In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best rated products that will literally change the way you are doing things.
What is the best outsourcing site? If you want to free up your time and scale your online business, sooner or later, you will need to find some help, otherwise known as outsourcing. Outsourcing has a multitude of benefits. Not only will you have more time and energy to focus on the tasks which really move the needle in your business, but it's better to get an expert to do the job for you. For example, someone who works as a freelance graphic designer will be creating new designs and graphics daily for many different customers. They'll have more practice than you, have better ideas than you, and do a better job than you. You're a marketer, and not a graphic designer. You could fumble around with Photoshop for 3 hours and create a mediocre banner, or you could just pay a professional a few dollars and get a beautiful image that grabs attention. Which do you think is easier and better for your business? Of course, the latter. Get an expert to do the job. And here's the best part, it's not expensive at all, thanks to sites like Fiverr which are teeming with freelancers looking for work. The intense competition means that the quality of work is good and the prices are competitive, both of which work in your favor. To see why Fiverr is such a fantastic resource, and to read our full review, with the pros and the cons, click the link below now.
Thanks for watching. Click the link below for more info.